넌 나한테 안 될걸?
Ano?
You know, I'm studying Filipino. You also study Korean.
At sinisip nila ang game na ito. Pag narinig nyo ang pito ni Madam, nako, agad-agad ipasa ang itlog. At pag nalaglag ito,
Ano?
out na agad.
Out na agad.
Yes.
Pero, pag nasalo nyo naman, mag-i-step backward tayo. Basically, palayo tayo ng palayo.
Yeah.
Gets nyo na ba?
Yes, namin.
Pwede po akong subok po muna.
Yan.
May
Yan
subok
ang hindi
muna.
natin.
Para.
Pasubukin natin.
Okay, volunteers. Ready? Practice?
Yes.
Ready.
Pasa!
Okay, step backward.
Step backward.
Ready?
Pasa!
I'm
How
sorry.
you want to play, huh?
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
Really?
Hindi, sinadya niyo yun. Nakita ko yun.
Aksidente yun nangyari. Nakita ko. Promise.
Sadya.
Okay, go.
Okay, back to positions, everyone.
Position.
Sadya niya eh.
Go, pasa!
Ready?
Pasa!
Ay,
Nanadya ka, gumaganti ka lang eh.
I didn't mean it. If it was intentional, I would have done this.
Ba't pati ako?
Uy, pati ako!
You cannot do that, Jinho.
Nga siya.
As a penalty, your group is disqualified. Kayong tatlo ha, I'm watching you.
Ay, kung alam niyo, hindi ko alam. Nanadya kayong dalawa eh.
You started first.
Ikaw naman nagsimula, di ba? Gatong pa to. Gatong mukha mo. That was an accident, but what you did to me was intentional.
Pwede ba huwag nga kayong mag-away? Para namang wala tayong mga pinagsamahan eh. Tsaka may mga batang guesto. Baka mamaya marinig kayo, hindi magandang example yan eh.
I mean, it was really accident, Joy.
Sige na, tapos na yun. But can you please promise me na hindi na kayo mag-aaway? Magkakaibigan tayo, oh. Dapat nagkakaintindihan tayo. Please lang.
Of course, I'm good. But only if Andrew promised not to do it again.
Tama, para fair. Di ba, Joey? Bahala kayo dyan. Sabi nga,